जय हिंद दोस्तों। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे बीएसएफ एचसीएम प्रीवियस ईयर इंग्लिश क्वेश्चन पेपर के बारे में। आपको इस वीडियो से पता चलेगा कि बीएसएफ एचसीएम में इंग्लिश के किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे। तो आप लास्ट तक वीडियो ज़रूर देखना, और आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले जाकर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट एंटोनिम ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड ऑप्युलेंस। तो इनमें से ऑप्युलेंस का एंटोनिम क्या होता है? ए प्लेथोरा, बी प्लेनिट्यूड, सी डेल्यूज एंड डी फ्रूगैलिटी। तो द आंसर विल बी डी फ्रूगैलिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, select the sentence that has no spelling error. So the answer will be C. In the 1966, as adoption agency in New York deliberately split up twins and placed them in different families as part of controversial study. Next question है आपका, select the most appropriate meaning of the proverb no man is an island. So the answer will be A. People always want what they don't have. B. It's easier to do something as a team than by yourself. C. Difficulties boost our skills and experience. No one is truly capable of living alone. So the answer will be D. No one is truly capable of living alone. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट मीनिंग ऑफ द इडियम लाइक अ किड इन अ कैंडी स्टोर। ए वेरी अनोइंग, बी वेरी स्टबन, सी वेरी क्लमसी एंड डी वेरी एक्साइटेड। सो द आंसर विल बी डी वेरी एक्साइटेड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, इन द फॉलोइंग पेजेस सम वर्ड्स हैव बीन डिलीटेड. Read the passage carefully and select the most appropriate option to fill each blank. This day it is not to see people listening to music or using their electronic gadgets while crossing busy roads or traveling on public transport. Of the risk involved, I have often wondered why they take such risk. Is the because they want to all sense of independence, or is that they want to tell the world to stop bothering them, or is it that they just to show how cool they are? So the answer will be unusual, regardless, excuse and want. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, select the most appropriate and synonym of the underlined word as used in the sentence. The mystery of India's ancient port of Muziris have captivated archaeologists for decades. A. Fascinated, B. Distracted, C. Preoccupied and D. Consumed. So the answer will be A. Fascinated. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, सिलेक्ट द सेंटेंस दैट हैज नो स्पेलिंग एरर. सो द आंसर विल बी डी. Archaeologists have uncovered the remains of an Anglo-Saxon settlement. Next question, in the following passage some words have been deleted. Read the passage carefully and select the most appropriate option to fill each blank. Whether it is a workman or an executive, earphones have become an part of our lives, sometimes even leading to tragicomic situations. The other day, an electrician had come to our house to something we told him in what needed to be done. But after he left, I found that the man had done almost nothing. It later turned out that he could not hear out clearly because he had his earphones on. So the answer will be B. Inseparable, fixed detail directions. Next question, select the most appropriate synonym of the underlined word used in the sentence. The Korean War lasted from 1950 to 1953, ending in armistice. A. Dispute, B. Bloodshed, C. Hostility, and D. Ceasefire. So the answer will be D. Ceasefire. Next question. Select the most appropriate option that can replace the underlined word in the given sentence. What a tiring vacation. I am glad to be back from my own bed again. A. In, B. Beside, C. Between, and D. Among. So the answer will be A. In. Next question. Sentence of the paragraph are given below in jumbled order. Arrange the sentence in the correct order to form a meaningful and coherent paragraph. First, I think watermelons taste better than any other fruits, and my whole family likes eating watermelons. Second, we ate least 3 watermelons a week last year. Third, this year I am going to eat watermelon every day all summer long. Fourth, watermelons are in the stores and I plan to eat one every day for the next 3 months. So the answer will be C. 4, 1, 2, 3. Select the most appropriate option that can replace the underlined word in the given sentence. Sangeeta and Reena ran slow to get the bus. A. Quickly, B. Quick, C. Quicker, and D. Quickness. So the answer will be A. Quickly. Sentence of a paragraph are given below in jumbled order. Arrange the sentence in the correct order of a meaningful and coherent paragraph. Lakshadweep is a archipelago located 200 to 400 km west of the coast of Kerala in the Arabian Sea. Second, earlier the name Lakshadweep referred to the 3 archipelagos in the Indian Ocean, the present Lakshadweep, Maldives and Suvdweep. Third, in the Malayalam, Lakshadweep means 100 islands and it is the smallest union territory in India. Fourth, the archipelago consists of 36 main islands and many smaller islands, coral atoms and coral reefs. So the answer will be fourth. First 4, 3, 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा. सिलेक्ट द एप्रोप्रिएट एंटोनिम ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड. इन्फ्लुएंशियल. ए वर्चुअस, बी परसुएसिव, सी एफिकेशियस एंड डी इनसिग्निफिकेंट. सो द आंसर विल बी डी इनसिग्निफिकेंट. In the following passage, some words have been deleted. Read the passage carefully and select the most appropriate option to fill each blank. Scientists have the gel that helps brains recover from traumatic injuries. It has the potential to heal injuries sustained in combat, car accidents, fall, or gunshot wounds by Dr. Min Jang at Clemson University in South Carolina. The gel is liquid form at the site of injury and stimulates the growth of stem cells there. So the answer will be B. Developed, treat, developed, injected. Next question. Select the sentence that has no spelling error. More than 3,000 people have been evacuated from their homes in Russian city after a अनडिपेंडेंट एक्सप्लोजिव वॉज फाउंड. इसमें से इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? सी. More than 3,000 people have been evacuated from their homes in Russian city after an undetonated explosive was found. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका comprehension. Read the given passage and answer the questions that follow. Which of the following sentence is correct as per the fact given in passage? So the answer will be first. Hygiene should be maintained to prevent us from contacting respiratory and diarrheal disease. Next question है